It's kind of wet. Ew. So pretty. So pretty. This is where I come when I just want to kind of think. And there's just a bunch of rocks and stuff. Like prettiness. It's like a jungle. Rawr. Pretty. So pretty. Waterfall's like the best thing about it because you can hear the water falling. What? Okay, they're probably not wolf tracks. But it's like, I just have like this place to come to when I want to think. So yeah. Have you ever tried too hard to be the hero and try to help everybody, but it seems to backfire on you? Yeah. That seems to always be happening to me. And I'm kind of sick of it. And I don't know what to do. And I just come out here to clear my mind. Even though I have idiots with me. But no.
Oh, give it to me, Joe! Give it to me!
You're so weird! You're so weird. I like helping people, and I'm gonna stop helping people or trying or anything. Because every time I do, I end up getting hurt, and I'm tired of it. So that's my opinion on everything. And I'm gonna go enjoy the scenery and just be me for a little while in the wilderness, because it's the only place I really feel like I am alone. I mean, it's bad when you feel alone, and you don't want to admit it to people. You're surrounded by people and you feel alone. So yeah, loneliness. But it'll be alright. I'll be alright. I'm a survivor. I usually do. But we're about to go check out the wilderness. Woo! Wolf prints. My ass. He's just craziness. I really do gotta watch out for snakes though in my camera. This is like a little clearing. Look at this. It's so pretty. But this is my spot to come and just chill and think about stuff. And right now I'm thinking of just being alone for a while. I had him bring me here so I could be alone, but he came with me anyways. This place makes me happy. There's a slope. I'm going down the slope in slippery slippers. Princess slippers. See, look. Yeah, they have little skulls and broken hearts on them, which, wow, not going there. You can't skip rocks that are bigger than your head! If we can get close to the waterfall. But yeah, I'm kind of sick of trying to help people and people just not understanding it. So I'm gonna stop helping people. It's just worthless. Worthless! Woo! Water. He really does try to help me though. Really, he does. I mean, I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm tired of trying. But this is just where I come. It's my oasis. It's my little piece of sanity, if you want to call it that. It's so clear today. Like really, look at the water. Look. But I'm tired of helping people that don't want to be helped. I'm tired of trying. And I'm gonna stop it unless anybody really needs my help. I've tried to be the hero for too long and it just broke me. No butt sex! What's that? I so totally got that. Look at this. It's just beautiful. And the light and the like, it's just coming. It's just beautifulness. Beautiful. It's just a place that you can come to and you can clear your thoughts. People don't understand me. I do. I'm just gonna try to be me for a little while. What is that? Okay, I thought it was a snake. It's not. It's just a piece of rubber. Scariness. Oh look, doggy print. Is that a dog print or is that really a wolf print? Because dogs don't come down here. It has really long nails. Really long nails. Oh well. To make you smile. To make you smile. And I will be calling you to see. I will be calling you to sing. So pretty. You make me smile. You make me smile. So I will be calling you to sing. If you're sleeping or you're dreaming, if you're dreaming or you're dreaming of me. It's kind of slippery, all the rocks. It just rained. Look at that. Just prettiness. It's just a good place to go and explore when you have chance. You want to mellow out your brain. I've been like tweaking out lately, stressing over bullshit that I shouldn't even stress over. Sand. And I just need to chill and think and use my brain. So, oh shit. Okay, anyways. Got it all the freaking rocks. I'm hoping we find that bone that I saw in here earlier. Well, like a month ago. There's like a jawbone in here. Dude, all the rocks are like different. Come on, Joe.
Maisie, you see any more tracks up that way?
Tracks like wolfy tracks?
Yep.
I don't think they're wolf tracks, but I think they're doggy tracks.
They're too small to be a full-grown wolf, but they could be a pup.
A puppy?
That's probably why.
Oh, puppy.
A wolf pup.
Wolf puppies?
Yeah.
Cool. Ooh, water. I think I have an obsession with water. I feel close to water, and I like being around water when I'm freaking out, so yeah. Really digging me some water. Yeah, you didn't know that was out there? I told you I came down here and went through all of this. There's a railroad track. See, this is really cool because it's like an oasis within the city. Because like right up there, if you can't see that little lid right there, that is a railroad track. And then above that, this is the main highway. You can hear cars and stuff, but really? Fisherman! You having dinner alright? People are gonna mistake this for the Blair Witch Project.